Today, I'll be guiding you through a mindful movement flow series. This sequence of postures is designed to strengthen and stretch the body and calm the mind. If this is your first time joining us today, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Remember, the sensation of the shape in your body is more important than the shape itself. So feel free to take modifications and find what's right for your body today. Move slowly, allow your breath to guide your movement, and enjoy. Let's begin.
We'll begin in mountain pose. Standing tall at the top of your mat, feet are hips-width distance apart. Ground down through your feet. Arms long beside you, palms facing forward. Take a deep breath in through the nose to fill up. Breathe out through the mouth. Heavier fingertips towards the earth. One more like this. Breathe in, feel your chest rise. Exhale, release, belly softens. Close your eyes or heavy your eyelids. Rock your weight front to back in your feet. Shift from side to side. Try to find that middle place where your weight feels equally distributed. Flutter your eyes open. Half sun salutation. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead, palms come to touch. Exhale, bend your elbows, bend your knees, fold your body forward. Keep a micro bend in your knees. Your chest hangs heavy on your thighs. Inhale, bring your hands to your shins, lengthen your spine as you look forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold your body down. Drop the crown of your head towards the mat. Inhale, press through your feet, come to stand. Sweep your arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, lower your hands to your chest. We'll repeat this once more. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold your body down. Press down through the feet to inhale, arms sweep up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Adding on, full sun salutation. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead, palms come to touch. Exhale, bend your elbows, bend your knees, fold your body forward. Keep a micro bend in your knees. Your chest is heavy on your thighs. Inhale, bring your hands to your shins, lengthen your spine as you look forward, halfway lift. Exhale, fold your body down. Drop the crown of your head towards the mat. Legs stay bent. Place your hands on the mat. Step your right foot back, your left foot back, plank position. Heels stacked above your toes, shoulders stacked above your wrists. Push out of your shoulder girdle with the strength of your arms. Inhale, draw your belly up towards your spine, grow long through the back of the neck. Exhale, lift your hips up toward the sky, your heels float down, downward facing dog. Pedal out your feet here. Bend your right knee, your left knee. Press through your hands. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale to stay. Gently walk your feet toward your hands at the top of your mat. You're in a forward fold. Inhale to stand. Sweep your arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Release your arms long by your sides. One more like this, we'll repeat. Arms overhead, palms touch. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms, step back to plank. Inhale here. Exhale to stay. Breathe in, extend from the crown of your head. Exhale, hips lift up, heels float down, downward facing dog. 2 breaths here. Fill up. Exhale to land. One more like that. Inhale. And exhale. From downward dog, drop your knees down to the mat. Lower your hips toward your heels. Push back into a wide-legged child's pose. Forehead to mat. Breathe here. Rock your forehead back and forth on the mat, relieving tension we tend to hold in between our brow bones. Activate your child's pose by drawing your shoulders up over your wrists, coming into a tabletop position. Hips are stacked over your knees. Inhale, tuck your toes. Drop your belly down to the mat. Lift your tailbone, lift your gaze, cow pose. Exhale, untuck your toes. Draw your belly back towards your spine. Drop your head heavy, cat. Repeat this 2 more times. Inhale, belly drops, look up. Exhale, belly towards the spine, head drops heavy. One more, breathe in. And breathe out. Return to a neutral spine. Back of the neck is long. Inhale, sweep your right arm up and out towards the sky. Your gaze follows your fingertips. Exhale, weave your right arm behind your left. Bend your left elbow, drop your right ear down to the mat. Inhale, press down through your left hand. Right arm reaches all the way back up. Look up. Exhale, weave your right arm down, right ear to the mat. Once more, ground through your left hand. Inhale, right arm extends all the way high. Exhale, right arm weaves. Right ear lands on the mat, this time to stay. Take a deep breath here. Feel your left side body stretch open. Press down through your left hand. Right arm floats up towards the sky. Return your right hand to the mat. We'll repeat this to the left side. 3 times. Moving slowly with your breath. One side might feel completely different than the other. That's totally fine. Last time, left arm reaches up. Exhale, return your palm to the floor. You're in a neutral spine. Inhale for cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Belly draws toward your spine. Return to neutral. Tuck your toes. Float your knees just 1 inch off the floor. Feel your belly engage. Inhale here. Exhale, lift your hips up. Lower your heels toward the ground. Downward dog. Soften the backs of your knees. Imagine tilting your tailbone up towards the sky. Press into your hands and fingertips. Feel the back of your neck stretch long. Breathe here. Inhale, float your right foot up. Exhale, draw your right knee towards your nose. Plant your foot in between your hands and dial your back heel down. Inhale, sweep your arms up towards your ears for Warrior 1. Think of drawing your right hip back, your left hip forward. Drop your tailbone heavy, belly drawn in towards the spine. As you inhale, float your fingers, reach up. Exhale, right arm forward, left arm back, Warrior 2. Heel toe your back foot to find a longer stance. Your gaze is soft over your right fingertips. Find your breath here. Drop your tailbone down. Think of knitting your ribcage close together. Inhale, flip your palms, thumbs toward the sky. Exhale, reach your right arm forward. Place your right wrist inside of your right thigh. Your left arm is high for bent knee triangle. Feel the back edge of your left foot press down into the mat. Your legs are strong. Lift your upper body away from your right thigh with the strength of your core. Your left fingers are reaching towards the sky. Inhale, rise back up to Warrior Two. Flip your front palm. Reach your right hand all the way overhead. Left hand comes to left thigh. Exalted Warrior. Exhale, cartwheel your arms all the way down and forward to frame your right foot. Your left heel pops up. Plant your hands on the mat. Inhale, kick your right foot up and back for three-legged dog. Exhale, lower your foot to the mat, downward dog. Repeat to the left side. Inhale, sweep your left foot high. Exhale, draw your left knee in towards your nose. Plant your foot between your hands. Your back heel pivots down. Inhale, sweep your arms up long beside you for Warrior One. Exhale, soften into your stance. Breathe in, your fingers float up, reach up. Breathe out, Warrior Two. Left arm forward, right arm back. Inhale, flip your front palm, thumbs toward the sky. Exhale, reach forward. Left wrist comes to the inside of your left thigh. Your right arm reaches up towards the sky. Bent knee triangle. Take a deep breath here. Exhale to stay. Inhale, float back up to Warrior Two. Flip your front palm, Exalted Warrior. Reach back. Exhale, cartwheel your arms all the way down to frame your left foot. Your back heel pops up. Plant your hands, kick your left leg up and back, breathe in. Breathe out, lower your foot to the mat, downward facing dog. Modified Vinyasa flow. Inhale, glide forward to a high plank push-up position. Exhale, drop your knees to the mat, untuck your toes. Lower your body all the way down, hips, chest, chin. Inhale, peel your chest up off the floor, look up, baby cobra. Exhale, push back through tabletop, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Second set. Inhale, glide forward to a high plank push-up position. Exhale, drop your knees to the mat, lower your body halfway down to hover, your elbows are in. Untuck your toes. Inhale, push through your hands, lift your thighs off the mat, your chest comes forward, upward facing dog. Exhale, pike your hips back, tuck your toes, heels float down, downward facing dog. Setting up for our final flow. Option to take either modified version we've just done. Inhale, glide forward. Exhale, lower your body down, halfway to hover. Elbows in towards the rib cage. Inhale, untuck your toes, thighs lift, chest lifts, upward facing dog. Exhale, push your hips back, lower your heels, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath here. Walk your hands toward your feet. Come into a forward fold at the back of your mat. Your legs can stay bent. Chest hangs heavy on your thighs. Your head falls down. Inhale, press through your feet. Tailbone drops down. Slowly come to standing. Bring your feet together to touch. Sew up the inseams of your legs. Inhale, sweep your arms up overhead, palms come to touch. Interlace your fingers. Your index fingers point towards the sky. Soften your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, ground through the feet. Grow tall. Exhale, we come up and over towards the left side. Standing side bend. Draw your belly back towards your spine to support your lower back. Keep the back of your neck long. Maybe a slight tuck of the chin. Find your breath here. Inhale to breathe space into your spine. Exhale to reach your fingers away. Inhale, return up to center. Exhale, bend your body up and over towards the right side. We're here for 3 deep breaths. Lengthen through the spine. Reach through your fingertips. One more inhale. Exhale. Breathe in, rise back up to center. Exhale, bend your elbows, bend your knees, drop your body all the way down, forward fold. Keep a micro bend in your knees. Your chest is heavy on your thighs. Maybe a gentle sway back and forth can feel good here. Root down through your feet, keeping the legs bent. Gently roll all the way up to standing, one vertebra at a time, stacking your bones to stand tall. Returning to mountain pose, right where we began. Roll your shoulders up towards your ears and soften your fingertips heavy towards the floor. Allow your standing series to land in your body. Be still. Inhale, arms come up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, hands to heart center. Bow your head towards your heart. Namaste.